Nice to meet you again. I hope you do well today. In today's tutorial, we cover one of the most common and essential tasks in React, displaying a list of data. It's something all developers encounter, whether creating a simple to-do list or a complex data-driven application. Let's start with the basics by creating a list of items manually. Imagine we have a small product catalog with a few items. We will configure the React component and carefully list each product by hand. This manual method seems simple at first, but as our product list increases or grows, updating the code becomes a tedious task. What if we want to add new products or update prices? We would have to go into our code and modify each component manually, which is definitely inefficient. But don't worry, there's a better way. We'll show you a more powerful and dynamic approach using function mapping, which will save you time and make your code much more manageable. Curious to see how it's done? Let's go. First, we define an array containing objects, each representing a product with attributes such as ID, name, description, and price. This table structure allows us to easily manage and update our data, including providing more detailed information about each product. Then, using the map function, we loop through the array, creating a list element for each product. This function takes each product object and returns JSX, displaying the product name, price, and description. Additionally, by using a unique key prop, such as a product ID, with each list item, we help React manage and display our lists efficiently. This dynamic approach not only simplifies code, but also adapts seamlessly to data changes, making it an essential technique for building scalable React applications. And there you have it. Our product list is now dynamically rendered using the map function, making it easy to update and maintain. You can see how much cleaner and more efficient this approach is compared to manually listing each product. In the next tutorial, we'll take this a step further by showing you how to add new products, remove existing ones, and update product details dynamically. This will make your React applications even more powerful and user-friendly. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.